Welcome back to our channel. Question number 4 is about maximum number of electrons. Let me change the pink first, okay? Maximum number of electrons in the fourth shell of an atom. So first of all, if you remember the equation, then it will be a straightforward 2n squared. Yeah, n is the number of shell. Okay, so 2 4 square, and then you get it at 32. But if you are unlucky, you forgot it, then you can do some guessing, okay? You can say S, P, D, F. Okay, remember the electron. So you must remember somewhere. 2, 6, 10. Forever forgot again. But you can see each time is a F4. F4. So last one should be 14, okay? All are F4. So if you do so, you add this all together, 24, 30, and then still get 32. So sometime in the exam, don't panic, maybe you really doesn't know the equation or forgot it, but it's okay. Trust your own chemistry skill. You learn a lot, and you can figure it out. And I must say, well done. See you for next question.